New tonight at 6, attorneys for the family of an Atlanta man who was shot and killed by a police officer claim that he didn't know he'd been confronted by law enforcement. Video obtained by the attorney and shared with Fox 5 shows the officer was in street clothing during the late October incident in Midtown Atlanta. Good evening. I'm Russ Spencer.
I'm Courtney Bryant. The family claims the officer did not identify himself when the altercation began. We do want to warn you, the video may be hard to watch. Fox 5's Morse Diggs has the exclusive story.
It is standard when trouble is about to break out for a police officer to identify himself or herself and shout commands. Did that happen in this case? The picture seems clearer about what got Atlanta resident James Wilburn entangled with a police officer. October 25th, nighttime scenes of the aftermath of the officer-involved shooting in Midtown Atlanta. Here is a snippet of video. There is an officer in the picture. He's off duty in plain clothes, gun drawn. There's a confrontation.
He was a go-getter. He had 1,000 ideas what he wanted to do with his life.
He loves everyone, and everyone loves him. He was taken away from me.
That person's in plain clothes. They did not identify themselves as a police officer at that point.
A family attorney says Wilburn had no idea who approached him. But what started it all? The attorney says an ex-girlfriend saw Wilburn sitting in his car beside a friend, another female.
She jumped on the hood and then onto the roof of the vehicle. My client was terrified. He decided to pull off, and the ex-girlfriend fell from the vehicle.
APD called it road rage in the initial report. The police union director says that apparently is what the off-duty officer was rushing to.
No matter whether we're actually working, whether we're working an off-duty detail, or whether we're at dinner with our family, if there is a felony or a serious crime where someone is in danger, we are obligated to take some type of action. We can't just stand by and watch somebody be harmed.
The police department has taken the officer off the street and released this statement about the video. The video appears to be new evidence in this case. Based upon an initial review of this new evidence, the decision was made for the officer to remain on leave from duty, pending the outcome of the independent investigations. We've been in communication with the lead investigative agencies, the GBI and the Fulton County DA's office, to ensure they are aware of the video. And the union leader urges patience so that all of the images and all of the interviews can come out from the police union headquarters. I'm Morse Diggs, Fox 5 News.